It was quite a while ago when I was first serenaded by this trio. They'd just burst onto the music scene and since then have taken the world by storm. With 3 albums under their belt, fresh from their morning radio show, 2 of the trio are back in Aotearoa promoting their new album, Coming Home, which they recorded earlier this year before lockdown. I heard that you guys recorded this album in like 3-4 days. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. We literally just got off tour. So we were touring the country. We did tours all over the place. And then we had a little buffer of about 3 or 4 days before Penn had to leave. So we went from like straight from the stage, the next day going into the recording studio, and then we had the concert, we had the idea, and then we just went into it. So yeah, it was a live album, so everything's played live, which a lot of people actually don't know.
Why are these songs sentimental?
Yes, some of them definitely are. And being able to put these songs together that have, they give us a sense of nostalgia. It sort of connects us back to what we left back at home. So, it's nice. And some of these also haven't been recorded before at all. We've only done them in concert. And so being able to record them, put them down on the track, and give them out to people who aren't able to see live performances, especially live performances of us, they've got a little something to take home with them. So.
Tell me about the Ipo song.
For me personally, it was the first Maori song that I had ever learned. And it's all thanks to my dad. Back in the day, we used to sing at a rest home, and this was one of the songs that he would just sit there on the guitar and just sing and play.
That's your magic, right? The 3 of you together, always.
Yes, we do miss the big bro, and we know that he's overseas and he's working and stuff. But every time, and we say this all the time at our shows, we only come together when the circumstances allow.
In Christmas time, you want to be with your family, but sometimes you just can't. And the thing that I miss the most, being away from home, yeah, food, obviously. Food is the big thing, family, but also it's the music. It's the sitting around, around with someone brings out the guitar. Then all of a sudden everyone starts singing, harmonies are thrown in. It's that kind of nostalgic feeling that the music does to a lot of families. And that's what we wanted to capture in this album.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
How have you guys felt you've matured from the first album to now?
Like, we're very much the same guys.
It's true.
Maybe our clothes have changed a little bit, but in terms of like that young kid kind of like, innocent way of looking at the world, and we joke a lot. We love music. We're very passionate about food and family. Nothing's changed.
We still definitely have a really strong passion for the music that we perform.
Once we're out of lockdown, where to from here for the both of you?
Oh. First to the fish and chip shop. Yeah. Once we're out of lockdown, well, we've got a lot of plans for next year. So regardless of whether or not the restrictions ease, I still have to leave the country, and Moses still has to go on his musical adventure as well.
Just like people can get the album, The Coming Home. It's a beautiful album. We're super proud of this album, and so we're glad that we can just get music out to people.